This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This video covers the right turn from Torquay to Milber. As you can see, we're travelling northbound on the A380 and we're already positioned in the left-hand lane to take the exit for Penn Inn. The right-hand lane will continue on the dual carriageway on the bridge over Penn Inn roundabout. So when we get to the next overhead sign, the lane that we're in is going to split into two. What we're going to do is keep to the right as it splits, so keep to the white line on our right, and that will guide us into the right hand lane on the approach to the roundabout. The signs for the roundabout are pretty bad from this side, so we've got the one sign coming up on the left which will tell us that it is a right turn at the roundabout, but we do need to wait until quite close to the roundabout to get any information about lanes. Just have to use your common sense here. It's a right turn, so position for the right hand lane. So we've got confirmation now. MLBR is the shortened version of Milber. So notice the arrows in the lane. So this lane only has a straight arrow, although we're actually using it to turn right. And the lane immediately to our left has both a left and a straight arrow. So the centre lane, the one immediately left, that one can be used to go ahead, second exit, as can the lane that we're in. To be honest with you, it's very rarely used for that purpose because that's why the bridge is there. But before the bridge was built, that was the main route across, and it can still be used if required. We can see now we have a right arrow in this right hand lane, although you could still theoretically go ahead. Road markings are a little bit muddled on this lane. So as we come around here, we need to position correctly for Milber. We can see from the signs that's the second lane, so you can see how I've picked up a position here to guide us around into that second lane. Always keeping check on the mirrors as we're coming around this roundabout, just making sure you know what's going on around you and keeping those yellow boxes clear. Keep that speed low as we come off the roundabout. These lanes are quite tight. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.